Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to tour you around the beautiful city of Strasbourg. And to those who doesn't know where is Strasbourg, it is located in the east part of France, close to the border of Germany. And this Christmas season, Strasbourg is very famous for its Christmas market. So today I'm gonna tour you around to show you the beautiful Christmas market of Strasbourg. So follow along guys, let's get started. So as we enter, you will see the small houses and each of them are selling different things. There are wines, there are cheese, there are foods, everything yet you can see, and there are some souvenirs. So everything you can find in the market. C'était quoi elle a acheté? Peut-être c'est une écharpe très grande. Parce que la boîte c'est un peu. Je vais pas mettre. Là-bas. Enjoy the view guys, we are just starting. This part here is one of the most photographed because it's beautiful decors and very colorful, and you can see a lot of this in Instagram and in Reels. And now we arrived in the front of the famous Cathedral of Strasbourg. The construction of this church started in 1015 and it was finished in 1439. and then now it is 583 years old. But if we really count from the day they started constructing it, it is more than 1,000 years old. The building is 142 meters high, and it was the world's tallest building from 1647 to 1874. This Cathedral of Strasbourg is an absolute masterpiece of Gothic art. It is one of Europe's finest Gothic designs. It is really amazing how people of 100 years ago managed to build this amazing cathedral with only simple tools. As you can see, guys, there are so many people, so many tourists, and until here you will see the Christmas market of Strasbourg. You can see there's still a lot of little houses or where they store their things that they sell. So let's continue and show you more. security purposes, there are so many police around. As you can see guys, we keep continue walking around the city and there are so many Christmas decors hanging around. But it was too early that we still didn't turn on.